Hello bookcasters, welcome to Get In Now series. In our previous episode, we explored the principle of GTD, including capturing, clarifying, organizing, reviewing and engaging with your task. Today, we are delving deeper into the world of stress-free productivity with a focus on project planning. Get ready to learn the 5 phases of project planning and how to define outcomes, brainstorm and prioritize effectively. Project planning. Project planning is a vital aspect of GTD. It's about taking your tasks to the next level by grouping them into a meaningful project and managing them effectively. Let's break down the 5 phases of project planning. Defining outcomes. Before you can start a project, you need to clearly define what success looks like. This means establishing the desired outcome or result. The home renovation. Imagine you are planning for a home renovation. Your outcome could be something like complete the kitchen, remodel within 3 months. This clear outcome provides a target for your project. Brainstorming. Once you define your outcome, it's time to brainstorm all the possible action and tasks needed to achieve it. The business launch. Let's say you are launching a new business. Brainstorming might involve listing all the steps required from creating a business plan to marketing and product development. Organizing ideas. After brainstorming, it's essential to organize your ideas into a coherent plan. This involves categorizing and arranging tasks logically. The event planning. If you are organizing a large event, you would organize your ideas into categories like logistic, marketing, and guest list management. This makes it easier to see the big picture. Prioritizing tasks. With your project plan in place, it's time to prioritize the tasks within each project. Not all tasks are created equal, and some may have higher importance or deadline. The book writing. If you are writing a book, prioritizing might involve deciding that finishing the first chapter is more critical than researching a minor detail. Creating action step. The final phase of the project planning is to create action step for each task. These steps should be clear and actionable with a specific next action identified. The fitness journey. Suppose you are embarking on a fitness journey, creating action step could be mean defining tasks like sign up for a gym membership or plan healthy meals for the week. Stories from the book. In Getting Things Done, David Allen shares stories of individuals who have used project planning to transform their productivity and accomplish remarkable goals. These stories illustrate the power of breaking down large tasks into manageable projects. The entrepreneur triumph. One story features an entrepreneur who, by effectively planning her business expansion, managed to enter new market and significantly increase her company revenue. Recap. To recap to the episode, we explored the 5 phases of project planning: defining outcome, brainstorming, organizing ideas, prioritizing tasks, and creating actionable steps. Project planning is the key to achieving large goals and ensuring that you stay on your track with your project. In our next episode, we will dive into practical tips for setting up your GTD system and implementing this project planning principle effectively. So, stay tuned as we continue to master the art of getting things done and living a stress-free productive life.